Okay, Tom. Hey, this is Larry again at SiteTuner.biz. I just wanted to add a couple more things to this video that I noticed last minute here, and I apologize for the delay in sending it over to you again. But I just want to go over a list of things here. First of all, if you did not know, in 2013, 20% of web users are using mobile devices, smartphones, and websites generally aren't set up for smartphones just because people are not quite transitioned to this new era here in web use. So just wanted to show you what your website will look like on a browser. And the main thing here, I got a web browser simulator here to show you what your website will look like. And the main thing here, your website could be geared so that ultimately all the information they need is within grasp. They don't have to move around or anything like that. But the main thing that you have going wrong with your site right now is the navigation bar does not work correctly. I cannot get that to work. The drop downs simply will not work correctly, and that's very important. It's probably preventing you from getting many leads at all from your site from people that don't already know about you. So it's very important that you make a mobile-friendly version of your website. And that's something that we do quite often here. But apart from that, I just wanted to show you how you have one page here. Here, that's got a broken image. This header image is very important that you improve this because it's going to affect your conversion rate on your website quite a bit. Anybody that's interested in these specific services, 2D and 3D bending wire. I noticed that the main thing that you specialize in is in CNC machining, specifically Swiss machining for the medical device industry. Probably get pretty big contracts there, but you need to have a specific subpage set up for each one of these main services. You have Swiss machining, milling, turning, 2D bending, 3D bending. Need subpages of their own, and you need to have very good sales copy on each one, so that people looking for these specific services can find the information they want and will quickly call you before getting a phone call, getting distracted, Googling for something else, whatever it may be. The conversion rate of your website is affected by many different things, and I can tell you, having a very clear, well-designed page is going to go a lot to adjusting the conversion rate of your site. Ideally, you want something that's very clean, like this, what this Curtis Screw Company does. This, very dedicated landing page for this specific type of web visitor, generate this one type of lead, and very clean images clearly show you without having to read what is offered here on the machine. Very modern looking website. It's going to have a lot of trust instilled in the people that land on this page, whereas your site, it does an okay job for your industry, but it could do better. People like modern looking websites. It shows that you're a modern company. People want to work with modern companies, specifically because in this industry, obviously, you offer a very technological process into manufacturing your components, and I can tell that you take pride in the quality of the service that you offer and the tolerances that you can achieve with your manufacturing process. So go to show them that you didn't take shortcuts in other parts of your business, and that message will get across more clear. And then finally, just to let you know, if you're searching for Swiss Screw machining services, let's say in Google, these paid ad spots, you could have a spot here and very quickly, easily generate more leads for your website without really having to spend anything. I can tell you right now, I've set up hundreds of campaigns with the type of service that you're offering. Dollar in, dollar out, you're going to be able to generate a profit right away with the pay-per-click campaign. Probably as much so as to generate probably twice or 3 times as many leads as you're getting now by dominating these spots for the many different services. What I typically do is I find, let's say, 50 or 100 different keywords that people are searching for to find my customer services, set them up a pay-per-click campaign. Each keyword that you can find to find the type of service or business that they have we'll have an ad specifically set up for it. So let's say for Swiss screw machining, we'll have a page just set up for that with an ad just set up for that. So where if you're clicking on the ad, you'll end up on a page that's just like this that very easily sells your clients. And we'll get the site designed and we'll test it and split test it to make sure you're getting the highest amount of leads per click that you're paying per click for these ads to generate the highest amount of profit possible. And then in essence, anybody that's already come into your site, finding you through the organic search, business cards, whatever it may be, you get a higher rate of actually calls and emails to your business generating leads. Increase your bottom line there. So that's everything. If you're interested in setting up a separate meeting to talk about some of the other things that can be improved on your site, we can go ahead and do that. Otherwise, I can give you a ballpark estimate of what it would cost to start generating more leads by improving your site and having a better call to action on some of these sub pages and building those out. So thank you very much for your time.